Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to report a chat on Gmail using your PC. With the latest update, keeping your chat environment safe and secure is simple. Let's get right into it. First, open your web browser and go to gmail.com. Make sure you're logged into your account to access your chats and messages. Once you're in your Gmail inbox, look for the 9 dots next to your profile photo in the top right corner. This icon represents Google Apps. Click on it to bring up a menu with various options. From this menu, select Chats. This will take you to the chat section, where you can see all your recent conversations. Next, find the chat with the contact you want to report. Click on that conversation to open it. Take a moment to review the chat and make sure you're reporting the right person. Now, in the chat window, look for the contact's email at the top. Click on their email and you'll see an option that says Block and Report. Click on that to proceed. A new window will pop up, prompting you to check a box next to Report to Google. This ensures that the chat will be reported for any inappropriate behavior or spam. Finally, to confirm your action, click Block. This will not only block the contact from messaging you again, but also send your report to Google. And there you have it. You've successfully reported a chat on Gmail. Taking these steps helps maintain a safer chat environment for everyone. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. We'd love to hear your feedback in the comments. Let us know if you have any questions, or if there's a specific topic you'd like us to cover next. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting.